Hi, this is Kathleen. I just wanted to give you a heads up about Test 2, which is coming up between May 3rd and May 7th. So that's not a full week, it's 5 days in which the test is available. So make sure you get that on your calendar and schedule yourself a time to do it. In week 14 items, you will see this page, which tells you a little bit more about how to do it. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to review. So what this is a test consisting of objective and essay questions. Most, but not all, the questions are taken directly from the quizzes that you've already taken over textbook chapters 7 through 11. The new questions will include long answer essay questions for each chapter 7 through 11, very similar to what you did in test 1. So make sure you have access to a reliable computer for an hour to hour and a half to 2 hour time frame, and make sure you have your textbook handy. This is open book. Make sure that you know you only need to submit the test one time. You can't take it more than once. You can only take it once, and it will be timed, like I said, for an hour and a half. I think I'll time it at 2.5 hours. The test will only be available between Thursday, May 3rd and Monday, May 7th. So from 12 a.m. on May 3rd to midnight on May 7th is the time block you need to find in there to take the test. So how to study: make sure you're familiar with the contents in chapters 7 through 11 of the text. Click on the Quizzes tab and you should be able to see your previous quiz submissions, and it will show you the points received on each question. I'm going to show you that in a second. Click on the quiz, then click Submission. You can take one attempt as a study tool. However, it will not be reflected in the gradebook. So even if you've already taken 2 attempts, you can take a third one, or if you only took 1, you can take 2 more, that kind of thing. Keep in mind, though, these won't be recorded in the gradebook. And these quizzes will only be available for attempts and for viewing between now and midnight on May 2nd, the night before the test begins. So regardless of when you're scheduling yourself to take the test, you can't review anymore after May 2nd. So please let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. When you click on the quiz, you go to the Quizzes tab, find the quiz you want to study, chapter 7 through 11, and this will show up. Yours might look a little bit different than mine, but you click on Submissions to view the ones you've already taken. Here I've taken attempt 1. So if I click on attempt 1, it's going to show me all of my questions and what I selected, and it's going to show me if I got it right. If it says 1 out of 1, that means I got it right. If I scroll down here, ooh, looks like I got one wrong. Okay, so it tells me what I selected, but it tells me that it's wrong. If you click on the View Feedback button, it'll give you a little bit, it'll give you some page numbers. It might give you some information of where to find the question. So that can help you. If you're really stuck and you can't find the answer, click on the View Feedback if it's available. Not all questions have it. Okay, so that hopefully gives you a little bit more information of how to study for Test 2. Good luck.